Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wondered how to take your Notion workspace and save it offline, share it with others, or move it somewhere else, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. I'm going to show you the simplest way to export your Notion pages, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to save a backup, prepare your workspace for sharing, or get content out in a format you can actually use. Let's jump right into it. So first, open up the Notion page you want to export. In the top right-hand corner, look for those three little dots. They're right up there, kind of like a More Options menu. Click them. Don't worry if you don't spot it right away. Notion moves things around as they update the app, but it's usually in that top bar. Once you click, a menu will pop up with several settings. Hover your mouse down until you find the Export option. It's usually a little further down in the dropdown, but don't rush, just move your mouse steadily so you don't miss it. Click on Export, and you'll see a new window pop up with several choices for how you want your page to be exported. This is where you get to tailor the export to exactly what you need. The first choice is Export Format. Notion gives you three different options: PDF, HTML, or CSV. Pick the format that fits your purpose best. If you need something easy to send and print, go with PDF. If you want a web-ready format you could publish or edit, HTML is your pick. And if your content is more database-like, maybe you want to work with it in Excel or another spreadsheet tool, CSV is the way to go. Next, you'll see Include Databases. Here, you can choose between Current View and Default View. This step is important if your Notion page has databases or tables. If you've filtered or sorted your database to show only certain entries, Current View lets you export it exactly as you see it. Default View includes everything, even hidden or filtered rows. So think about what's most useful for your export. You don't want to be surprised by missing or extra data later. Under Include Content, you'll find options like Everything, No Files, or No Images. This gives you control over the size and detail of your export. If your page has lots of images or files and you only care about the text, select No Files or Images. Otherwise, if you want it all, including images, attachments, and embedded files, choose Everything. It's a bit like packing for a trip. Sometimes you want to travel light, but sometimes you need the whole suitcase. You'll also see an option to include subpages. If your Notion workspace is nested and you've got pages within pages, this is a really helpful feature. Include subpages if you want to capture your entire structure, not just the top-level page. If you leave it unchecked, only the page you're on will be exported. Another checkbox you might see is Create Folders for Subpages. This one ensures subpages are organized into their own folders during export, keeping things tidy. Think of it like labeling your folders in a filing cabinet so you don't end up with a mess later. Once you've made your selections, double-check that everything looks right. Ready? Go ahead and click Export. Depending on how much content you're exporting, this step might take a few moments. Don't worry if there's a short delay. It just means Notion is packaging everything up. And that's it. Your Notion workspace is now safely exported, ready to be backed up, shared, or edited outside the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions about exporting or you want to see more Notion tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, clear tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.